Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use Stripe for beginners. In this video we will talk about what Stripe is, who can use it, how to sign up, and we will do a walkthrough of the interface. Then we will show you how to create an invoice on Stripe to collect online payments. There's a lot going on in this video, so make sure you're sticking till the end. Let's begin. We're going to start with a short intro to what Stripe is. Stripe is a payments infrastructure for the internet. So if you're someone who runs a business online, then Stripe is for you. It simplifies all payment processes by simply integrating the platform to your web address or your website. Now, let's look at the pricing. To know about the pricing on Stripe, just click on pricing at the top navigation bar. As you can see over here, Stripe currently does not have any monthly or annual plans. All they will need is to take a little bit of a charge per card transaction. As you can see over here, this is how much it will take in US dollars, but it varies from country to country. So it all depends on your country. There's also a customized plan, but for that you will need to contact Stripe's sales team. So that's about the pricing. Now let's look at the sign up process. To sign up, you can simply click on this button that says Get Started in Minutes or scroll down and click on Create Account. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll be taken to this sign up page where you simply need to give in your email address and type in your full name and set in a password. And finally click the Create Account button. You first need to verify your email, so go to your email. This is the email that you'll get from Stripe, and all you need to do is click the Verify Email Address button. Next, it'll be taking you to your dashboard, but before that, it'll ask you to activate your payments on your account. What we're going to do is we're going to click on Skip for now because this is something that we'll show you later on in the video. This is the dashboard of Stripe. Let's do a quick walkthrough of what all is there. On top, you can see is a drop-down menu where you can create a new account or a new business. Next is the Activate Payments button, which we're going to do in some time. Then there is a search bar. Below this, you can see there are different tabs like Home, Payments, Balances, Customers, Products, Billing, Reports, Connect, and more, which is a drop down. You can access more options from there like these. On the right side over here, you can see there is a create button, which again is a drop down. And these are the 4 things you can create using Stripe. Followed by that, we have the help icon, notifications icon, settings icon, and the profile icon, using which you can go to your profile and also sign out. In the center of the page, you can see there is this statistics running over here, but they're all empty right now because we haven't done anything. So to start off, we need to first activate payments, which is what we're going to do. So click on the activate payments button over here, and you will be taken to a page that will show you that there are 5 steps to complete the activate payments. The first is to verify your business. So we're just going ahead and clicking continue over here. The second step is to add personal details. So here it will ask you your legal name. And then there are also things like the social security number and everything. We're just going to click on continue over here. And the next thing you need to fill out is the details of your business. So you can select your industry. We are going ahead with let's see what we have over here. We're going ahead with digital products and software as a service. And you can give in your business website and description as well. We're clicking on the continue button. Next, you'll be taken to fulfillment details. You need to add it over here, and then we'll click the continue button. Then we need to add some public details for customers. Again, you can enter the details over here and click the continue button. Next is step 2, which is adding your bank details. So there are a couple of options over here. You need to select that, or you can also enter bank details manually. So whatever it is, click on continue. Then there is the 2-step authentication process over here, which is the third step. Going to the fourth step, it is add extras. We're again clicking continue. You can also select the no thanks option. And then there is a review, which again is optional. So we're clicking on the no thanks option. And finally, there is the summary of everything. You can see there is some missing information here. That's because we don't have the details. To activate your payment, you need to give all those details. So you can see that we're still not activated, but I just wanted to walk you through what all is needed. Anyway, now let's go ahead and start creating an invoice. For that, you first need to create a product. So go to the products tab. And in the center here, we don't have a product yet, so we need to add one. You can click on this button over here or here. So we need to fill in some details over here. The name is necessary. Others are optional, like image, description, etc. The next thing that is mandatory is the pricing. So just enter a price for the product over here. Select whether it is recurring or one time, whether you want the billing as a monthly, daily, weekly, every 3 months, 6 months, yearly, custom, whatever. Just choose your preferred one. And finally, you can go on save and add more, which is add more products, or just save product. That's what we're going to do. And you can see that the product is now here in the product list. The next thing you need to do is add a customer. So go to customers over here. Let's first add a customer because we don't have a customer yet. So we're going to click on add a test customer. You can just hit some name over here and add an email address. Description can be added, and then there is the billing information that you need to fill in, like choose the country, give the phone number. These are all optional, so we're not going to do anything right now. We're just going to click add customer. And now you can see that there is one customer added over here. So we have created our product, we have created our customer. Now the main thing that is creating an invoice. For that, you need to go to this payments tab over here. There are options over here like create a payment link, create a payment, and create an invoice, which is what we're going to select. So click on create an invoice. This is the form to create an invoice. The first thing you need to do is select the customer. We're going to select our customer here. Then go ahead and select an item. We're going to select the product one that we have just created. Next, we need to enter the quantity. So we're just going to enter 1. You can expand item options if you want to add any of these details, and then click on save. Here you can see it is mentioned 0. So I'm going to edit it. That's how you can edit. Go to the price, and there you can add a new price, and I'm going to set it at 10. And then click the save button. So here you can see that the item is also selected along with the rate on this side. You can edit it again by simply clicking this button over here. It is taking some time to update because when it gets updated only you can see the proper preview on this on the right side. Anyways, below that is payment collection. So you can request payment on a custom date, or you can auto charge the customer. We're going to go with custom due date, and you have all these options under that. We're going to go ahead with the 14 days option. Under that is delivery, and you can see there's a drop down menu over here. You can either email the invoice to the customer or select do not email. We're going ahead with the email invoice to customer option. So now you can see that on the right side, the preview has come. There are 3 previews that you have on this side. One is the email preview. Then if they want the PDF form of the invoice that they will download, it will be in this format. And if it is a payment page that you have integrated, this is how it will look like. Now you can go and review the invoice by clicking the review invoice button. And then the platform will ask you send invoice for $10 to customer, and you can click on send invoice if you're okay, or else continue editing. We are going ahead with send invoice. So that's basically how you can create an invoice on Stripe. That brings this video to an end. We truly hope it has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If there are any topics that you'd like videos from us about, then let us know about that as well in the comment section. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.